In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom font in Canva. Adding your own fonts is a great way to keep your designs on brand, especially if you're working with a specific logo, a client style guide, or a unique typeface you've downloaded. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, and I'll also share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common issues. First, open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Custom font uploads are available for Canva Pro, Teams, and certain paid plans, so make sure you're signed into the right workspace where you want the font to be available. Once you're in, you can open any existing design, or simply create a new blank design. We just need to get to the main editor screen. Next, look for the text settings. On the left-hand side of the editor, click on the text option to open your text tools. You'll see options like Add a Heading or Add a Subheading. Go ahead and click one of these to add some text to your canvas. This gives us a text box to work with, which makes it easier to see and test your font once it's uploaded. With the text box selected, move up to the top toolbar and click on the Font drop-down. This is where all of Canva's fonts appear. At the top or bottom of this list, you'll see an option to upload a font. Click that. A window will open where you can choose a font file from your computer. Canva supports common font file types, such as OTF, TTF, and WAF. Before you upload, make sure you have the legal rights or proper license to use that font in your designs, especially if you're creating content for clients or commercial use. Once you've confirmed that, select the font file and upload it. Canva may ask you to confirm that you have permission to use this font. Approve that, and then wait a moment while the upload processes. When it's finished, your new font will appear in the font list, usually under a section like Uploaded Fonts or similar. Now, select your text box again, open the font drop-down, and click on your newly uploaded font. You should see the text on your canvas instantly update to the new style. From here, you can adjust the size, color, spacing, and alignment the same way you would with any built-in Canva font. Once your font is added, it will stay available in that brand or workspace, so you can reuse it across future designs without uploading it again. That's how you add a custom font in Canva.